Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the Low Sodium Queen, and today I'm going to be making low sodium ramen noodles. And it's going to be a pretty big-ish pot because my mom and sister and we got a little hungry and that's when we wanted to eat. So I got some pork right here, some boneless pork sirloin. And I'm going to open it up and I'm going to put it in this pot of water and let it boil. I'm going to wash my hands and I'm going to add a few more things to this pot and I'll be right back. And I'm also going to add two tablespoons of my Herbox chicken powder. 1 teaspoon of white pepper. And I found this soy sauce. It's light soy sauce. And it's just like the coconut aminos and salt count. I'll be posting that on my Instagram. And I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of the soy sauce in. And I did buy some mushroom powder. So I'm going to put half a teaspoon of that in there. And a big squeeze of garlic paste. And I'm just going to let that boil. And then I will come over here. And you guys can watch me chop up the vegetables. Alright guys, I'm going to put some dashi flakes in this, and I found a low sodium one that is 1.5 cups of this for 35 milligrams. So I'm going to put 1.5 cups of these dashi flakes in the ramen. Alright, that's 1 cup, and that's half a cup. Now that that has boiled some, I'm going to add in some carrots. And I'm also going to add in 1/3 cup of dried vegetables. I'm going to add in some seaweed, 5 flakes, 5 little sheets. That's a serving. And I'm going to add in a little bit of sesame seed oil. going to cut this on low since it's done, just to keep it heating. I'll go ahead and put in the noodle. Without the seasoning, the noodles are 220 milligrams of sodium. Go ahead and move you guys over here. Alright, that's it, you guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. This makes 3 servings of soup, and I'm about to go serve it to my family, and I hope they really like it. I'll have pictures on my Instagram and in the description below. All the ingredients and all the calculations will be listed. Alright guys, until next time, bye!